My candle holder project left me with the happiest resin colors. Couldn't waste those, right? So I grabbed a fun earring mold whose cheerful faces were calling to me. The resin mix has some peach red and azure alcohol ink, some silver foil and a dash of glitter. With mixed resin, every second counts. So, let's pour. It's demolding time. I'm so excited to see how these turned out. These ones are just so cute. The resin has climbed up a little here. To handle this increased width, I will use an alternative to a jump ring when I put the earring together later in the video. There are a couple of stray bubbles here and there. Well, if you have a drink, then it will have bubbles, so this is okay. The shape is quirky, and the overall choice of color is so joyous. This shape is gorgeous. Oh no, I bubble. This mold is really nice. It is giving a very nice glossy finish. It's perfect. If only the other one did not have a bubble. Ah, there are two bubbles here. I need to start torching them. That should take care of this surface bubble nonsense. The colors look amazing. The pink and the blue are perfectly mirrored. I'm really happy with this piece. These beauties are wonderfully asymmetrical, just like no two leaves are the same. One has more glitter and the other has a denser hue. An interesting pair if you like asymmetry in your earrings. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting and have a wonderful day.